A few days later, Emma, Jake, Sophia, and Daniel meet at a coffee shop to plan a fun activity together.
All right, guys, now that we've all met, we need to plan something fun. Any ideas?
I was thinking, how about a weekend trip? Maybe we could go to a cabin in the mountains or to the beach.
That sounds amazing. A weekend getaway would be so much fun. But where should we go?
Well, we could go to Lakeview Cabin. It's about 2 hours away, and there's hiking, kayaking, and even a bonfire area.
That sounds perfect. I love outdoor activities. When should we go?
How about next Saturday and Sunday?
Works for me. But what do we need to bring?
I can bring a tent and sleeping bags in case we want to camp outside one night.
I'll take care of food and drinks. I can bring snacks, sandwiches, and ingredients for s'mores.
Yum. I can bring a portable speaker for music and some board games for the evenings.
And I'll bring a grill for barbecuing and some sports equipment, maybe a frisbee or a soccer ball.
This is going to be great. Should we all drive together or take separate cars?
I have an SUV, so I can drive, and we'll all fit.
Perfect. What time should we leave?
If we leave Saturday morning at 8 a.m., we'll get there by 10 a.m. and have the whole day to explore.
That sounds great. And what activities should we do once we arrive?
We can start with a hiking trail, then go kayaking in the afternoon.
And at night, we can have a bonfire, roast marshmallows, and play board games.
I love it. And maybe we can watch the sunrise by the lake on Sunday morning before heading back.
That sounds beautiful. Okay, so let's confirm everything. Jake, driving and bringing camping gear. Emma, bringing food and drinks. Sophia, bringing music and board games. Daniel, bringing the grill and sports equipment.
Looks like we're all set.
I can't wait. This is going to be the best trip ever.
Agreed. Let's text each other on Friday to confirm the details.
Sounds like a plan. I'm so excited for this trip.
Me too. All right, see you all on Saturday morning.